Let's talk about kids talking while you're teaching and what you can do about it. It's really tough for people to be quiet and wait their turn. They don't have really good conversation skills. They don't read the room well. And this is kind of the same for adults, kids. A lot of folks have a hard time not talking to their neighbor while somebody else is talking. I really feel that kids need to talk more. We don't let them talk enough. So there's a couple things that you can do. The first one is let them know exactly how long they're going to have to keep their talking under control. So I'll pull out my 5-minute timer and I'll say, hey, I'm going to talk about something for 5 minutes. So when I flip this over and I hit start, right, you have to not interrupt and not talk while I'm teaching until the sand is gone and empty, because that's going to be 5 minutes. So let's go start. And I challenge them, and they can't talk until 5 minutes is over. So I use them for everything. I've got my 5-minute one. I've got my 10-minute one, my 30-minute one, my 15-minute one. Now 30 is pushing it for some of our kids, but depending on how much I need to get out, I'm going to give them that timer, and I'm going to build on that skill too. So maybe like 3 months down the line, I'm pulling out my 20-minute timer and I'm saying, challenge guys. And they go, oh, 20 minutes? We can't talk for 20? Yep, you got this. They really like the visual, and it becomes a real moment of learning a skill and a challenge for them versus being frustrated and having to say, stop talking, I'm talking. How many times have I told you? The other is when you're done talking, introduce something that I always call take 5 or talk time. It allows them time to talk after you're done doing your lecture. So if they know they're going to have time to talk to one another, but they also know exactly how long they have to keep it together, it actually can become a challenge for them, which can make it a little more fun versus you having to constantly be frustrated because you're interrupted. So it's a real skill for people to be able to hold it together for a certain amount of time and not talk while someone else is talking. And that's what you're trying to teach. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.